folks, welcome back to the vlog. Today is now Thursday. If you haven't seen the last vlog from yesterday, video will be in the previous video show that plans for today are going down to my nanny and grandma's today, and then chill out, probably get a bit of lunch up, come back, relax, get my dinner, and yeah, so that's the plans for today. Time is just coming up to 5 to 9 in the morning, so check in with views in the car because I'm about to leave in a few minutes. Lovely day outside. So yeah, can't believe it's Thursday already. Tomorrow's the weekend, can't believe it. So let's get this Thursday's vlog started. As you saw, it was slicing outside. I just let my dog out to go for a wander in the garden. So yeah, it's time is now, as you saw, just after 10:30. I'm now in my nanny and grandma's till about 3 o'clock. So yeah, so I will check in with you when I'm getting lunch, getting sausage roll or a bap. So I will check in with you in. I might go to end this vlog from the last 2 days now. So if you like this vlog from the last 2 days, hit like, subscribe to my channel. Time is just coming up to 2 AM. Going to bed now. Plans for tomorrow are going to visit family. And yeah, so till tomorrow, thanks for watching.